How to get Microsoft Rewards points fast. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, open any web browser and search for rewards.bing.com. You will reach on this section where you can easily take a glance at those gift cards and the reward section. And after that, you simply need to open a new tab at top right corner of the screen. And now go ahead and search for Chrome website or simply the Chrome Web Store. Hit the search and after that you simply need to click on the first link that catches your eyes. Using search extension bar, you need to type in Bing Automate. If you don't find the exact, you need to click on Automate your Bing searches extensions. You will reach on this page where you have to click on Add to Chrome button and click Add Extension. Waiting for a while it will be added and now click on the extension icon at top right. Click on pin icon and after that you simply need to go ahead and click on Microsoft Rewards Redemption. And now scroll down. Click on Points Breakdown. Click PC Search. And after that you simply need to click on the Automate Your Bing Searches at top right and click on I accept the risks and accept all these terms. Once done, you can easily add or adjust the number of searches, for example 5. And after that, here you can easily make it 3 seconds and the 4 seconds. And after that, you can easily click on Start Search. And after that, you will easily get Microsoft Rewards point faster. So by following this all the way, you can easily close all the tabs and then start getting Microsoft Rewards point faster. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.